Alright, faggots, I want to do a quick video here on the Streamlight TLR series of lights. I got a couple of them here. I got the 800 lumen model there in the box, and the 300 lumen model. The 800 lumen model is the one with the strobe as well, and the 300 lumen model is just the original TLR one. It does not strobe. Uses CR123 batteries. It's rated water resistant up to like 10 feet. I would not I don't plan on submerging either one of these, so I wouldn't fuck with that shit. The mounting system is good. It comes with a few little doodads you need to be aware of whenever you get it. It comes just like this. It comes with these shits here, which are little inserts that go right here. And that's how you interface or whatever you're interfacing with. This is the 1913 Picatinny insert, because I'm going to be using this on my AR. You can see the bulb or whatever the fuck that shit is going on in there. Some wicked looking shit. It's definitely bright as fuck. This one does not. It's just got the little LED. Yeah, it's a little LED chip in there. So I'll do a quick comparison here. It's not really that good of a, it's more of an impromptu test here. Okay, first one is going to be the 300 lumen. And now this is the 800 and the strobe. So 3, 8. Definitely a good little difference there. But yeah, they're really good lights. I've got about 500 rounds through the Glock with the 300 lumen model. This one that does not really get too fucked on the front glass here. I mean, after a couple of hundred rounds, you just give it a quick wipe and you're good to go. One thing you will need to do if you are going to get one of these, as soon as you get it, take this embezzle off and be careful, because there's like a little rubber O-ring and then the impact glass. Say impact glass is just the fucking glass or whatever. But this bezel will shoot loose, and it will fucking, if you're not paying attention or whatever, and you shoot it, and you can shoot it enough to where it'll come off, and then all the little parts will fall everywhere, and that's not good. Anyway, fucking just take it off when you get it, put some Loctite on there, put it back on, good to go, no problems. The way you change the batteries and everything, well, you're gonna get a good look at the little paddles here. That's the only compromising thing about this design that I've found so far. But yeah, you pull that little lever down, that'll do that. Push back, there's your fucking battery compartment, and there's a little latch there, you can just get it in there, then right back to that, and you can see it locks in, it's real solid. I haven't had any issues with this. Get a good holster. I've got this fucking thing here. It's one of the only commercially produced light bearing holsters on the market for the fucking Glock. Otherwise you have to wait like 6 weeks for the shit. It's the Incog some shit. Anyway, I got it off of the G-code faggots. That's some Haley Dynamics nonsense. But yeah, for $100, I mean, the TLR one was $100 and this was $120, and both of them are really, I mean, they're the same thing, but they're really good. I've dropped the gun with the original one onto concrete from like 4.5 feet. Didn't even, got a little bitty nick right there, and that's it. So I mean, that's not really a test by any means, but I'll definitely do any updates if either one of these succumb to any abuse. And they're really easy to put on and off. Love shit. You just get it on there, pull forward. I like make sure that it's gonna be there for the recoil and whatnot. And then once you get it cinched down, you find yourself a nickel or some shit. Get in there and tighten it down. Good to go. Anyway, if you're looking at getting a TLR, I definitely recommend it over a fucking Surefire. I haven't had a Surefire, and I'm not gonna have a Surefire because I don't have $1,000,000. But anyway, these lights definitely would whoop the fuck out of that shit. I think they would perform very equally if you were having them side by side and just tried to beat the fuck out of either one of them. I think both will stand up fairly well. These will probably compromise first just because of the way the paddles are designed, but other than that, they're really good lights and I definitely recommend them. So get fucked.